birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Bestie! Enjoy your special day!
Happy birthday, Tita Lori. God bless. Enjoy your special day. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Lori. God bless. Happy birthday. We hope to see you again sometime soon. Love you. And again, happy birthday.
Okay, bye.
Balik na rito!
Manay, wishing you a happy and a blessed birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninang! I hope you had a wonderful birthday and may God bless you with good health and more blessing to come. Nina, I would like to introduce to you my husband, and he wants to say a happy birthday to you also.
Happy birthday,
Nina,
Ninang.
Nina.
Yes, and we will see you when we get to the Philippines.
Bye, Nina.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Lori. Good health and God bless you.
Hi, Ate Lori.
Hi!
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday! Happy
Pasensya na, hindi kami makakapunta. Tinamaan ako ng trangkaso.
Kamusta ang Pinas?
Hindi kami makakauwi. Mahal ng ticket. Pasensya na.
Andito kami sa Rui.
Basta huwag kayong basta enjoy lang. Enjoy the family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday from the
Yun naman yan.
family namin. Lahat-lahat.
Salamat sa lahat.
Sino?
Gulo nitong hindi na namin may uwi sa Pinas tong batan to. Happy birthday.
Love
Enjoy
you,
lang.
love you, love you.
Love you. Enjoy the family. Enjoy your day. Bye. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ninang! I hope you have a really good birthday and have a good year.
Hello po Ninang, happy birthday po. Maligayang kaarawan po. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Panginoon ng mahabang mabuting kalusugan, mahabang buhay at walang hanggang kaligayahan. Maraming salamat po sa mga inyong mga pagmamahal, gabay at kabutihan. Wishing you a good health and more blessings. Happy birthday po. God bless you po, Ninang.
This happy birthday song is especially for you, Lola Lori. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi to our super duper generous tita in the world. Happy birthday po. Thank you po for all the treats, the ulams, and the kwentuhan. I hope your day is as wonderful as you are, tita. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Tita. God bless. Ingat po kayo palagi.
See you soon.
Hi, hello Balae. Good evening. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Long life, good health, and happiness. God bless you more. And I hope na lagi pa tayong magkita, magkausap. Alam mo naman, sa mga edad natin, kailangan enjoy, happy life. Huwag na basta happy birthday. More birthdays to come and more candles to blow. and more years to come to your birthday. Okay? Bye-bye!
Hi Mama Lori, happy birthday! Thank you po sa pagmamahal, sa pag-aalaga nyo at sa kabutihan nyo sa pamilya namin. Ngayong birthday nyo, ang wish lang namin syempre, long life, good health, tsaka more birthdays to come. Ngayong special day nyo, i-enjoy nyo po dahil talaga namang deserving kayo maging happy ngayong araw at marami nandiyan lahat na nagmamahal sa inyo. We love you ma, happy birthday!
Hello, Ma'am. Surprise! Happy birthday po. Ang wish ko lang po sa'yo, good health, more gala with lolas, happiness, and more birthdays to come. And I will take this opportunity na rin po na magpasalamat po sa inyo sa lahat ng support niyo po sa amin, sa guidance, at sa love po. See you again here po sa Canada. Happy birthday po, and I love you.
Happy
Birthday,
Mommy,
Lori.
thank
You
for
being
an
awesome,
and
cool.
Grandma.
We
Love
you.
Surprise ma! Happy birthday! Happy 75th birthday! I know like medyo naging busy kami this past few weeks. Hindi namin masyadong na tingin mo na hindi namin naasikaso yung birthday mo, pero behind the scenes we are like talking with my sisters and my bayaw and my wife regarding sa celebration mo. Alam ko na surprise ka. Huwag ka nang magtampo. It's just like our way na para makita mo na nagpe-prepare kami ng husto para sa birthday mo. At syempre, hindi naman mawawala yung message ng pinaka-paborito mong anak na lalaki dahil ako lang ang nag-iisa. And andito rin naman ang asawa ko na nag-iisa mong favorite na manugang na babae. At syempre, ang panganay mong apo at pangalawang apo na nagmamahal sa'yo dito, I wish you all the happiness and also like the best for your upcoming birthdays and birthdays to come. We are like very grateful na binigyan ka namin ng mother na ganito, na ikaw nga na talagang nagsusuporta sa amin palagi. And very thankful kami dahil pinagdadasal mo kami palagi at happy ka sa mga achievements namin dito, or tumutulong ka sa amin pagka kami ay medyo nahihirapan din dito sa Canada. So thank you for your all support and advices. We love you, and again we will like to greet you again.
Happy birthday, Mommy!